how to import photos into Filto app. Open Filto app on your phone. On the home screen, tap the plus button or create new project. A menu will pop up asking you to select photos or videos. Tap photos. Filto may ask for permission to access your photos. Tap allow so you can import image from your gallery or your camera roll. Now browse through your photos and tap the one you want to use. You can select one or multiple photos. Your chosen photos will load into Filter's editor, and that's it. Now you can start applying filters, effects, templates to make your photos stand out. You can put multiple photos at once to create fun slider or collage. Easy, right? You have just imported photos into Filter and you are ready to unleash your creativity. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Catch you in the next one.